Let's register a business in Oklahoma. If you are going to be registering as a sole proprietorship or a general partnership, you are not required to file with the state to operate. Only if you are doing a LLC or a partnership or a C Corp or S Corp. These are formal structures, and Oklahoma requires that you register these businesses. I Googled register a business in Oklahoma, and I want you to click on here, the Oklahoma Secretary of State website. So this has some great information for you to read over. Ultimately, what you're going to want to click on is the detailed small business startup guide. I'll take you to this page, and then I want you to download your guide. And then here is a quick guide to registering your business. So let's go ahead and download that. So you have this handy little guide that has 5 steps to getting your business registered. So you'll choose your legal structure and business name, and then you can click on this link when it is time to file. Oklahoma does not have the most clear website that I've ever seen, so I want you to scroll down and you can click on which legal structure that you chose for your business. It's going to prompt you to input your information, and then it'll walk you through the steps to register your business. There you go. Drop any questions you have in the comments. What state should I do next?